Well, our tour's taking a little while. Had to stop for eats.
Doing 2 kilometers an hour does tend to take a while. It's that. I had to walk or you passed me.
Little Caesars. Ah, this is the life. La 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 la. I've been drinking. Well guys, he's slow as fuck. So to cure that, I'm going to tow him. And the trailer. Let's go! Go! SpeedX kicks ass! Oh, we're at Dan's. Finally made it. Scored up some roofing, I don't know what the fuck you call it. No, I can't think. Good score though. When I build my shed, I'll have some roofing paper to put on. Cool. Gotta love free shit, man. What do we got, a tiger?
Yeah, just be careful.
A tiger and a giraffe. Oh, zebra. Yeah. Yep. And it's Halloween. We got scary things around. And the worst. Oh, scary. Very scary. Oh. Ooh. Hey, it's Jack-o'-lantern. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.